Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Farrokh Mahmood and I'm teaching computer sciences, ICT and IT at the Cambridge Grades Academy. So I welcome all the students to come to Cambridge Grade Academy and meet us to discuss all of your academic needs and requirements. So we will be starting a new batch from 1st of September and I am leading the computer sciences, ICT and IT at the Cambridge Grades Academy. So come join us, visit us. We are here, the top-notch faculty of Lahore. We have the management team over here, plus the administration team. So whichever the requirements you have for computer sciences, for maths, for humanities, for business, accounting, whichever the field in which you are studying, whether it is pre-O levels, O levels, A levels, whether it is Cambridge, EdXil, or any other board, you are welcome to please come here, meet the faculty over here, and discuss all of your need and requirements. So I welcome you to please join with me. We will offer you 1 to 2 demo lessons. Join us and then rate yourself. You will be satisfied. All of your need and requirements will be satisfied. And I'm quite sure you will find us quite different from the other academies in Lahore. And definitely, we will ensure you the A star grade, not only the A, but A star grade in your future career if you join us from 1st of September. So please don't wait for the last moment and step up, step forward, come and meet us, and let's take you to your academic journey in the near future. Thank you so much.